Guys, welcome back to Gettobyte. Here is another demonstration of automotive solutions that we are developing over here. So you can see on the board screen. So there are two boards which we can mimic as ECU1 and ECU2. And this solution is built on the automotive microcontroller of NXP S32K144, which is SLP certified. And here via demonstration, we are kind of showcasing how to send and receive the data over the CAN between two ECUs and printing the receiving and the sending data onto the screen for virtual demonstration and visuals. So you can see, right, this one is sending data and this one is going to receive, and we have connected these via the CAN terminals. Okay, now here the catch is that there is a in this demonstration there would be a certain flaw, or the data that is going to be sending or receiving will not be easily understandable. Okay, so let me just show you. And so data is sending. Okay, and the sending data is being printed on the screen, and then the receiving takes place, and the receiving data starts printing on the screen. But you can see right now that the sending data is more and receiving data is less. Another thing is that sending data is like these data we can't understand what is it, and it's not cryptography that I have implemented right now over here. The flaw which is there, that is I am going to update on the next version of the demonstration. Meanwhile, I just want to demonstrate this, and if anybody can guess, and just a disclaimer is that the issue in this is there something on the printing on the screen. Okay, the driver or the APIs or the logic which is being printing on the screen, there is some issue on that. So you can guess and mention down on the comments, and stay updated at Get to White for more such automotive demonstrations which will be coming further. And whole of this solution is being developed using the flex standard CAN communication protocol, and the SPI DMA drivers are being used for this LCD screen interfacing. And this code is written using the embedded C code, pure embedded C. And further on the upcoming versions of this code demonstration, we are going to also add the free RTOS and the cryptography features.